Hi everyone, my name is Celina Sharpe and I'm a pharmacist. I'm just like you guys. I was in high school at one time and I was unsure what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. I did know that I was good at math, I was good at science, and I love biology. So I knew that I wanted to do something in the healthcare field. I didn't know if I wanted to be a doctor, I didn't know if I wanted to be a nurse, a dentist, a pharmacist. So it's normal to not know exactly what you want to do in high school. I went to college. I decided to study biology. So I got a bachelor's in biology, and then I decided to apply to pharmacy school. So once you apply to pharmacy school and get in, it is a 4-year doctorate program. So once I was in pharmacy school, I learned that several of my classmates got in after 2 or 3 years of undergraduate. So as long as you have the prerequisites to get into pharmacy school, you can get in after 2 or 3 years of prerequisites. I chose to get a bachelor's in biology because I still wasn't quite sure exactly what I wanted to do. So pharmacy school, the first 3 years are tough. Those are your classes. You take you take so many different classes. It's a lot of science, a lot of chemistry, anatomy, physiology. So those are the tough 3 years. The last year of pharmacy school is the best year. It is actually a year that you spend working in all different fields of pharmacy. So when you think of pharmacy, at least when I thought of pharmacy, I always thought of the person at H-E-B, at Walmart, at Walgreens, that was behind the counter filling prescriptions, counseling patients, immunizing patients. But during this last year of pharmacy school, you work in different avenues of pharmacy. I did a rotation in HIV. I did a rotation in psych medicine. I did a medicine rotation, anticoagulation rotation. So you do so many different, you learn different things that the pharmacist can do. Not all pharmacists work behind the counter at H-E-B, Walgreens. There's pharmacists in so many different areas: nuclear pharmacy, pediatric pharmacy, emergency room pharmacy. There's diabetic specialists. And so that 4th year really opened my eyes to see what opportunities were out there. After graduation, I worked at a hospital. I didn't want to specialize in anything. I just wanted to see what hospital pharmacy was about. I did that. I was missing the patient interaction. I was missing talking to people other than your coworkers. So I moved to H-E-B. I was an H-E-B pharmacist for 6 years, loved every minute of it. I loved the patients coming in. A lot of time patients have a hard time getting in touch with their doctors if they have questions, concerns. So pharmacists are so accessible. And so I became a confidant to a lot of the patients, and I loved it. After 6 years, I had twins, and the hours were a little long, so I changed to hospital pharmacy. I was actually a clinic pharmacist. I worked for an HIV clinic, and so I work alongside physicians. I work alongside nurses, social workers. I'm actually a part of a patient care team. It is so rewarding to work with other professionals to find the best medical treatment for our patients. It's a great feeling to know that your patients trust you, that your patients put their health in your hands. And with the physicians, with the nurses, with the dietitians, we can provide the best care for the patients. I knew that I wanted to do something that I loved, and I definitely chose the right profession. You have to love what you do, because if you love what you do, you will succeed at whatever you choose to do. You want to go to a job every day that you enjoy, that is rewarding. And so think about that. Try to choose something that you know that you have a passion for, and that you're going to enjoy, and you're going to love, and you're going to feel rewarded, and that you're doing something good. So whatever you choose, whether it be a physician, a nurse, a pharmacist, a dentist, a teacher, a psychologist, a psychiatrist, a counselor, whatever you decide, do something you love, because you will have no regrets. You love it, and it will be an amazing feeling. So good luck, guys. Don't worry, your decision's going to change 100 times. That's normal. Just follow your dreams, and good luck.